It's a 2008 INFINITI G35 Sedan. Boasting a richly appointed interior, a stylish design, and excellent value, this G35 appeals to both your heart and your head. It comes with great features you love: external memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, voice activation, voice-activated climate controls, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system. Edmunds.com proclaims, "Astounding and amazing were two words to describe braking capabilities. It halted from 60 mph in a mere 111 feet. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. Infiniti is you, amplified." Take it for a test drive today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.